What causes you to initiate work? Do you know the thing that gets you off the starting block? I talked to somebody yesterday who said they're accused of analysis paralysis. But when I asked, is there any time when they don't overthink? She instantly had examples. See, you don't overthink all the time. You overthink when things aren't lined up the way you think they should. Do you know what it is that creates initiation for you? You've got to have that understanding so that when initiation, when that self-starting and that drive starts to wane, what moves you? Your Clifton Strengths themes are going to give you that target. If you're influencing, it's going to be mission. If you're critical thinking, it's like strategic thinking, it's going to be data. Relationships, that's the key. Executing, it's going to be about measurement. Do you know what it takes to get that initiation in yourself started? Because knowing what that is, you'll know how to fill the gap when it's missing.